If you want to insert a memory card into Realme Note 70T, then first of all, we need to prepare the eject tool that you can find, for example, inside the box. And then you're going to take a look at the left side of the smartphone where we have our SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. And we need to insert our eject tool into this SIM tray hole and push it in with a little bit of force so that the SIM tray pops out. Now you can technically try to only partially remove the SIM tray, so it looks like this, instead of removing the whole SIM tray. And of course, if you just if you remove the whole SIM tray out of the smartphone, then you have to be careful with your SIM cards as well, because these slots are really loose and it's really easy to drop your SIM card. So what you can do instead, you can just partially take it out like I did just now, and then try to insert it like so. As you can see, it's still quite hard because it is so loose, but try to put it in like this. And once the memory card is fully in, you can just try to push it in to the smartphone back again with your finger like so, and make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. Otherwise you will of course risk causing some damage to the smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.